This is Josh Osler, your head golf professional, and today we're going to go over how to find events within the LRCC app and then how to register for each round for the ladies groups. So there's two areas where you can find all of the events. We're going to go to the menu button at the bottom right and then click on calendar and golf events. So you can see we already have it filtered here. If you go to Niners, then you will be able to view all of the Niners events for the year here. And likewise for the WGC, you can view all of those events as well. The second place you can go to is at the bottom. There's a golf menu, and you can go down to the fourth area here, golf events. And this will list all of the events for men, women, and mixed groups for the entire year. You can also filter this area here at the top right. There's a filter button, and you can select which group you'd like to filter for. We'll do the Niners for now. Click apply. And again, here are all the Niners events for the year. We'll go to the Stableford event for Tuesday, the 17th. And you can click here to register in through the Golf Genius portal, and that'll take you to that point. Once that page loads, then you can see the upcoming rounds available for the Niners group. At the moment, it's only the Stableford points round on the 17th. To register for that, you're going to click here, find your name in the list, click next, and you can either mark that you're going to sign up to play or that you don't want to play and then you cannot play. So we're going to sign up here and confirm that. So here you can either sign up other members or you can send a message to the manager. Either of those options are available there. We're going to click continue, and we've registered for the Stableford event. Please let us know if you have any questions. Have a great day.